Hi guys, Yuri Zavitsky, Lucidity for All, coming back again with a new training video. If you are new on the channel, we are on a series of videos that is bringing you to the proficiency in shifting into lucid dreams and astral projection before year end 2022. So subscribe and get activated notifications, and please learn all the previous videos that brings you up until this moment in the playlist for the learning videos before year end. And welcome to the channel if you are new here. Okay, so it's a follow-up from the previous video that we have done, and the subject of today is maintenance. So we talked about anchors. So once you have anchored the experience, I told you, if the environment is collapsing and if the dream change or waking up is imminent, you need to abandon all the activities and you need to re-anchor yourself. So that was already a premise of maintenance. But as the experience going on, you can indulge into this re-anchoring at any point of time, but you must not take your lucidity and your awareness of the dream state for granted. You need to grab it with your two hands or with one hand strongly, and you need to carry that lucidity with you during the whole experience, because any point of time you can switch to a normal kind of dreaming. It happens. You get attracted by a certain proposition of the dream state and you start following that, and you forget about you being lucid. I give you an example. You are in the shift and then you open the fridge, and as you open the fridge you have a bunch of oranges falling out from the fridge, and you start taking oranges and putting them back in the fridge. Nobody cares about you being a good boy or good girl putting it back oranges in the fridge. You could be flying to space, visiting the Milky Way, instead of putting oranges back in the fridge. Nobody in the universe is gonna scold you for that. So that is a lack of lucidity. Instead of putting back the oranges, you should be focusing on what you want to achieve, or some higher goals in your life, in your dreams. So you need to keep your lucidity very strongly with you. And I came up even with one little trick. Is as I evolve in the experience, sometimes I'm flying around and I'm singing a song. I'm lucid and I'm in the dream state, and I'm laughing to myself. So it's a little bit like as if I'm a mirror to myself, singing a song about lucidity and flying and being lucid, and it's funny, and it's even become funny to myself, making jokes to myself, and it keeps lucidity even stronger. It's I'm looking for the word to describe it. It's I think some of you get what I mean. And so if any time you feel that the environment is collapsing or things start to shift, let's say you talk to a guy and this guy become a girl, that should be already triggering you, telling, okay, look around, maybe the rest is starting to be a little bit more flexible, a little bit too shaky. You need to re-stabilize your environment with the anchoring techniques that you have learned in the previous video. And that is your maintenance. As the experience goes, hold your lucidity in one hand and double check that everything is more or less stable around you. And if it's not stable, re-anchor yourself. If you think that you are getting engaged with the dream state a little bit too much, remember, no, I'm lucid, but it's like you are underwater, not lucid, and then you are a little bit lucid. No, I want to be fully lucid. Come out from the non-lucid state, become fully lucid, and go on with your experience like that. Another example, maybe I have my cat coming to meow. But imagine you are seeing a lion running on you, and you start to be scared and you start to run away from the lion. that is the lack of lucidity. If you are fully lucid, you need to remember you are the master of your dreams. So it's not a line that is supposed to be scaring you. So if you are lucid, stop, turn around, face the line, be lucid, you know, bring the fearlessness, etc. You see what I mean? So that's it for today. That is for the maintenance of your experience. It's very important. Otherwise your experiences will be too short if you're not anchored and you forget to re-anchor. You need to maintain your experience after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You need to follow up. It's not because you stabilize at the beginning that it's going to be stable all the way. Okay? So that's my message for you today. So again, subscribe if you're not, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and like the video. That helps me. That is your way to say thanks. And see you soon with your next training video in about 5 to 7 days from now. Yuri Zaritsky, Lucidity for All, signing out. See you soon. Ciao.